Henry was having some issues with his pipes. They had gotten jammed, and he was stuck in a siding just outside the station. Suddenly, James pulled into the station. Pa, look at sickly Henry in a siding. Need your special coal again, big, strong Henry? Shut up, James. I know I'm not sick. My pipes are jammed. There's a difference, you know. Whatever. Oh, Edward, go get me my train. I mustn't delay like Henry over here. Pa, no way. I saw how you were treating him. Get your trucks on your own. I won't. Neither will I. Yes, you will. And what are you going to do about it? I mean, if you can't get your own cars, clearly you're not that useful. James suddenly turned as red as his paintwork. Pa! And James scurried into the sidings to collect his train. He had finally gotten it and was returning to the station. Tender engines don't shun. I do. Proper tender engines don't shun. He was crossing the T-crossing to the station when suddenly he stopped. What the? I'm stuck. I feel so weak, too. Oh, dear. What's happened, James? Nothing. I'm fine, Edward. Secretly, James was worried. He couldn't move. But then there was trouble. Gordon's whistle blew from the distance. Oh, no! Help! Help! Henry used all of his might to move forward. He pushed James with all of his might. Gordon's coming with the express! I'm Scrap! With a great heave, Henry shoved James out of harm's way. But he was still on the cross track, and Gordon smashed into him, throwing Henry off the line. Cinders and ashes! Are you all right, Henry? Not really. Suddenly there was a loud crack, followed by flowing water. Henry's pipe had finally burst. Oh, no. Henry, I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. I shouldn't have been so cocky, and now because of it, you're derailed with a burst pipe. Never mind me. Why did you stop? I felt a pain, then really weak. James's driver checked him all over to find that James also had a jammed pipe. Oh dear, said Edward, trying not to laugh. Looks like you've had a case of bad karma, James. James blushed as Edward went away to go collect the train and clean up the mess.